Do you know you can make up to $2,500 a week just using 10 minutes of your time posting on Pinterest? Yeah, you see this little $100 right here. I know you want it, and with this little $100, this is nothing. You can make multiple times this $100 bill in a matter of 10 minutes. Nice! Let me back up my talk and show you what I actually mean. See this number right here? Yeah, this is actually real. This is one of my affiliate programs I use, and I've made this in just about 1 week. I get about 80% off of this product commission, but more of that in a second. Are you not satisfied enough? Well, let me show you this then. This is a lower number, but I've made over 250 in 1 week, as you can see right here. Look at that. You see this number? This is pretty dang good. Not too bad, hey? Now, how can you achieve these numbers that you're seeing right now on the board, to do exactly what I do? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you, so stay tuned. Now, first of all, we've got to talk about what method we'll be using. You only need 10 minutes of your time. I'm not even joking, 10 minutes of your time to do this method. No, this is no blubberish or crap, 10 minutes. The media we're going to be using today is Pinterest. Now, this is a very undersaturated method, and not many people do this at all. Anybody can do this, and all you need is a cell phone or a computer, that's it, and then some internet access. What are you gonna exactly be doing in this? Well, you're just gonna be reposting videos and photos. I'm going to show you how to exactly make and then post them to Pinterest, and then boom, the sales start running in. It won't make sense right now, but it will, and once you get that money, you're gonna be very happy. Enough with the random talk. I know you're actually asking, Nugs, is this real? Is this actually capable to do? It is 100% capable to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Don't make a random name that nobody knows like, Guru likes to bake cupcakes for grandma. Just make it really plain and simple. It is pretty much going to do the job. Once you have your Pinterest set out for you, you're then going to want to put your logo. For your logo, you can pretty much put anything, just make sure it's pretty professional. Remember, you are a salesman in this, and you do want to do a good job presenting yourself. Now here comes the hardest part, posting. What do you post? How do you bring in that attraction to get people to know to buy your stuff? Well, let's go over that right now. I just made this new Pinterest account right here, London Finance, just for the video. So make sure it's actually accessible again and make sure it's professional. You are actually sharing this information, and people will be using your name and logo to determine if they actually want to buy your product. Whoa! The brakes! Where did we get into this? What are we using though? How are you making this money? I don't have a product, I don't have a website. Affiliate marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing, what you basically do is promote someone else's product, and you get a commission based off of it. Let me give you a quick example because I know most of you know what this means. For this product right now you're seeing on the screen, I sell this Discord course to many people. Now, it's basically how to make money like an entrepreneur site, and I get an 80% commission of each one I sell. Each one I sell, I get about $12.79, so it is a pretty good bargain. I get 80%, and then 20% goes to the creator. So that's what affiliate marketing is. You get a percentage, and the creator gets a percentage as well. You're basically just helping the creator make these sales, and you get paid for it. Now, how do you actually draw people for attention to get sales? Well, you need a post. That's what Pinterest is for. So how are you going to edit these videos? I would suggest using Canva, so let's hop over to canva.com and get started. You're then going to want to go to Pinterest, so let's type in Pinterest. As you can see here, we're just going to go to Pinterest pin. You're going to then click on Create a blank Pinterest pin, and then select it. Then you're going to be brought up to this page. This is kind of your posting page. Now, what are we going to be promoting? You can promote a lot of things, like maybe if you want to go in the cooking niche or whatnot. I'm going to stick to how to make money with AI. We're going to pick a product just for that, so let's head over to Warrior Plus right now. So we're on Warrior Plus, and what you're going to want to do is go up to the place where it says affiliate and then go to offers. You're going to look through these offers and then you're going to find the best one that suits you. For me, I really like the AI one, which we're gonna go to right now, which is basically this high-ticket AI. I do actually promote this myself, so I would click on that one if I were you. Now, the whole point around this is to promote this AAA bot, which basically says you're making money if you buy this AI bot, which the AI will do for you. So now that we got this information and we know what we're going to be promoting, yeah, you guessed it, we're gonna make posts about how to make money, particularly how to make money with AI. So let's go back over to Canva and see how we're going to create this masterpiece. Now, a big part of Pinterest is photos. As I earlier said, videos are going to really help get engagement, but photos are going to help you get clicks really quickly. So let's take an example of using Pinterest to make money. Let's search up money on Pinterest right now. Let's use this example. I really like the layout of all the money, and basically, this brings in a lot of people because you got 6 people right here and a good amount of views on this post. So how we're gonna get the image is we're gonna go back to the post and then press this share button right here, and then press copy link. You're going to copy this link and go to something called pinterestdownloader.com. I don't know, it's the first one I clicked on. I'm gonna make sure it's safe, and then you're gonna press the link in here and then download the image. Let's hope we don't get a virus. Let's do the best quality, and there, bang. We got it right here. Save this file, and we're gonna go back over to Canva. We're currently at the Canva station, and then we're gonna drag and drop our image right here. Whoa! We're gonna slide this up, and as you can tell, it doesn't fit the post, which sucks. So you're gonna spread this out and bang, it fits the post. Now, how are we gonna draw our audience in? You saw that they just had a random post. We're going to want to put a title on our post to make it intriguing, make sure people want to actually click and look at your link and maybe buy your service. So, a huge thing going on right now is AI. So we're going to make a caption based on AI. Now we gotta think of something to say, and I'm gonna say, how I made, and then you're going to want to put it up. Then we want to pick a good font and whatnot to make it look really nice. Oh, the Molly, that's ugly. Okay, I changed the font because the other one looked absolutely awful, but let's just go to share, press download, and then what you want to do is switch this over to PNG to get the best quality of the post, and then press download. As we just downloaded the amazing file, you'll then want to go to Pinterest. So now we're back over at Pinterest, and you're going to want to press create, and then let's drag and drop the file we literally just made. And then, there you go, you just got this. So then what you want to do is you don't want to put any title on it or whatnot, you're going to skip through this, and then you're going to want to press your link. So you're just going to press next, everything is cool, add a title, this is the most important part. Make sure the title is catchy. Let's do, learn, in the description. Now, you don't want to put out the whole description because I don't know if Pinterest really likes that, but this is the best I think I can think of, which I normally use anyways. Now do make sure it's a little switched up. I do use this method myself, so just try not to saturate it so much. Bro, how do you spell entrepreneurship? What the heck? So in the ad details, what you want to do is press notes, as I said, and then grab your link. So get over to your product, and this is my affiliate thing right here, so I'm just going to copy this, and it looks a little too spammy like that, right? Go over to Bitly, and then you're going to want to put it in there and shorten your link. And then, there, you got your link. Go back to your Pinterest page, and then slap it in your notes, and then you should be good. Let's just put something like, make 500 a day with AI, here, and then just put like a little cash thing in them. Okay, maybe not a winky face, and then there you go, you're posting it to Pinterest. Now, I do want to say that you're not going to see success overnight. Make sure you post a good amount of these, it could take a couple of weeks before you even see success at all. It took me about 3 months. I wasn't doing it correctly, but it did take me 3 months to see my first success, and I do post a couple a day, so I do generate some really good sales off of this method. And there you go. You can see that, make 500 a day, here. People can go to this. The more clicks it gets, the better. You could actually promote this if you want. I wouldn't suggest it, but you can go ahead and try. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and that's pretty much what I have for Pinterest. Now I will tell you one secret to this method. It's to be consistent. I know you don't want to hear it, but if you post 2 times a day, in about a couple of weeks you'll definitely start seeing sales rolling in, because it's just a numbers game after all. I mean, the more you post, the more chances you get to win, which is the more chances you get to actually sell your product. You know what I mean? I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I do post a ton of methods on how to make money as I have myself online, so I would enjoy if you come back for the next one. Or not, it's your loss. Anyways, am I allowed to say that? I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.